Parts of Vernier Bevel protractor. Let us see the parts of Vernier Bevel protractor. Stock. It is one of the contacting surface during measurement of an angle. It is kept in contact to the surface from which the inclination is measured. Disc. It is the integral part of a stock. It is circular in shape and the edge is graduated in degree. Blade. It is fixed to the dial with the help of a lever. A parallel groove is provided in the center of the blade to make it to move longitudinally whenever necessary. Locking screw. The Vernier Bevel protractor is used to measure acute angles and obtuse angles.